Okay, we got the Legal Minute now with Ben Barry from Martin Harding and Mazzotti at 1-800-LAW-1010. Good morning, Ben.
Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Mary.
Good morning.
All right, so we got what would you do if or what happens if, okay?
Okay.
Let's say I lose my dog, Boo. I love my dog, Boo. And
All right.
I can't find her. I got the wanted posters up everywhere. I give up all hope, unfortunately, and another family finds her. They try to find me. It doesn't happen. They fall in love with Boo. They bring her into the house. And then, a little bit of time goes by. We bump into each other somehow. I want my dog back.
Sure.
And they want to keep her.
Right. It's still your dog. And I would say that just backing up a little bit, if you were, probably a more responsible owner, you might microchip your dog and you would settle the claim right then and there. Because I think once a family falls in love with the dog, they say, this isn't your dog. We don't know what dog you're talking about. This is our dog. We've had her since a puppy. So I think if you microchip your dog, which costs anywhere between $45 and $100 at your local vet,
yep,
you can solve the issue of ownership.
Oh, there's another plug for microchip.
Yeah, microchipping works very well, and also there's a database that if somebody does find your dog, they can have the microchip read, and they can find you more very soon after you lose your dog, so you don't have this attachment issue. But ultimately, you can't, you bought the dog, it's your dog, and ownership can never be equal to yours unless you agree to it. Oh. So it's the same with losing a watch. If I lose my watch and Joe from down the street finds it and then sells it to Bob, over in, Texas, Bob's ownership interest can never be higher than my interest in the property that was owned by me.
So it's still your watch
in that transaction. It's always going to be my watch, even if I lost it.
Oh,
it's still going to be my watch.
There's no statute of limitations, any of that stuff.
No.
Oh.
Well, that is really interesting. That's really good to know.
Yeah, I heard Bob was a jerk, by the way.
But also with the microchip, that's good to know that beyond, you're right, when somebody finds a dog or finds your animal, because my cats are microchipped, they can find a home for it. They can find the home right away.
Find the home with the chip.
But even if somebody isn't interested in finding the home and they try to keep it and you find out that person has it, you can prove that dog or cat is yours now.
Right.
Yeah, that's true. That's another good way to prove it. Yeah, that's good. Interesting. All right. Hey, thanks, Ben. Thanks for hanging out with us again this week.
Made a lot of sense.
Hey, thank you guys.
Martin Harding and Mazzotti at 1-800-LAW-1010.